Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about garden decoration ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Gardening is an art that goes beyond just planting and nurturing plants. It's about creating a space that not only fosters growth but also exudes beauty, tranquility, and harmony. A well-decorated garden can serve as a personal sanctuary, a place for relaxation, and a testament to your creativity and love for nature. Whether you have a sprawling lawn or a small balcony garden, there are countless ways to add charm and character to your green space. This video presents unique ideas to help you transform your garden into a picturesque and inviting outdoor haven. Planters are a great way to add color and personality to your garden. You can choose planters in a variety of colors, shapes, and sizes to suit your garden's theme. For a more personalized touch, you could paint your own planters. This could be a fun weekend project where you can let your creativity shine. You could use stencils or freehand designs in colors that complement the rest of your garden. There are many types of water features to choose from, such as fountains, ponds, or waterfalls. Water features can add a sense of serenity to your garden. The sound of trickling water can be very soothing and can help to create a peaceful atmosphere. When choosing a water feature, consider the size of your garden and the amount of maintenance required. For example, a pond may require regular cleaning to keep the water clear. A garden path can add structure to your garden and can guide visitors through your outdoor space. You can create a path using a variety of materials, such as stepping stones, gravel, or wood chips. The choice of material can greatly affect the look and feel of your garden. For example, a gravel path can create a rustic look, while stepping stones can give your garden a more formal appearance. Outdoor lighting can enhance the beauty of your garden, especially after sunset. You can use spotlights to highlight specific features, such as a beautiful tree or a water feature. Alternatively, you can use string lights to create a magical, twinkling effect. Solar-powered lights are a great option as they are environmentally friendly and can save on electricity costs. A birdhouse can attract a variety of birds to your garden, adding an element of life and movement. Building a birdhouse can be a fun DIY project that you can do alone or with your family. You can design the birdhouse to match the style of your garden. Once the birdhouse is up, you can enjoy watching the birds come and go. A butterfly garden can add color and activity to your garden. Certain plants, such as milkweed and butterfly bush, are known to attract butterflies. You can research which plants are native to your area and preferred by local butterflies. Not only will this create a beautiful spectacle when the butterflies visit, but it can also provide an opportunity to learn more about different butterfly species. A trellis or pergola can add height and structure to your garden. They are perfect for climbing plants like roses or ivy. In addition to providing support for plants, a pergola can also create a shaded seating area where you can relax and enjoy your garden. You can choose a design that matches the style of your garden, whether that's rustic, modern, or something in between. In conclusion, decorating your garden is a personal journey that reflects your taste and passion for nature. Whether it's through the use of colorful planters, the installation of a water feature, the creation of a garden path, the addition of outdoor lighting, the building of a birdhouse, the planting of a butterfly garden, or the installation of a trellis or pergola, each element contributes to the overall aesthetic and atmosphere of your garden. Remember, the best garden decorations are those that bring you joy, encourage local biodiversity, and enhance the natural beauty of your plants. So, don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity shine in your garden. After all, your garden is an extension of your home, and it deserves as much care and attention as any other part of your home. Happy gardening! Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a garden decoration ideas. Thank you.